Part 2 of Persuasive Essays, the body paragraphs. What's special about the body paragraphs in a persuasive essay? They employ counterargument in order to strengthen the writer's opinion. A counterargument is the opposing side's view of your issue. By bringing in the opposing side's view, you make your own opinion look more informed and thus make a stronger case for your idea. In this essay, the writer presents the opposing side's opinion, in other words, the counterargument at the beginning of each body paragraph, then goes on to state his or her own opinion about the topic, and then supports it with examples. Let's look at the counterargument in the body paragraphs. Here's the counterargument for the first body paragraph. In the past, many people thought raising children to be the only goal and responsibility of women. Now, Japanese women no longer seem interested solely in raising children, and society needs to accept this. The first sentence was the counter-argument. That's the other way of thinking about this issue. The second sentence is the topic sentence. This is the writer's opinion about raising children. Then the writer goes on to give examples to support his or her opinion. The last sentence is a summary of the ideas in the paragraph and makes a suggestion for how to solve the problem. This is a beautiful concluding sentence. In the second paragraph, again, the writer introduces the counterargument at the beginning before saying his or her own opinion. The first sentence is an introductory sentence. It kind of explains more background information about the main idea here. The second sentence is the counterargument. Usually people don't think of a company as a force in shaping families. The next part of this sentence is the writer's opinion. This attitude should be reconsidered. Japanese companies need to recognize their role in shaping families and think more about supporting them. Here's the topic sentence. This is the writer's opinion. Now the writer goes on to explain more about how the companies could do this and gives an example of where it's actually being done. And finally, again, the last sentence is a summary sentence, which concludes the paragraph by saying again what the main idea is, but with different words. In this paragraph, again, the writer presents the counterargument first thing, and then in the second part of the sentence states his or her own opinion. We must accept that it's partly men's work too. And here's the topic sentence. It's essential that Japanese fathers help more in the home. So, in conclusion, in a persuasive essay, you can give mention to the opposing side's argument before you get into your own, and it shows that you have considered all sides of the issue and still have come to the same conclusion about what you think is the right way. So this concludes the lecture on body paragraphs for persuasive essays.